What is up, my Salsa Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing amazingly great. Today, I'm gonna be conducting a video in the garage. Obviously my roommate's garage. They're not here, so I figured, you know what? I can't ride. I haven't been able to ride. That's what I'm talking about. This is what I've been encountering basically the entire month of August. I was supposed to get a ride in today, and good old Florida weather. That's what we're encountering today. Woo, it is crazy out there. There's no way in hell I'm gonna be caught in this rain. So I figured, let's go over some of the stuff I've done with Luna. Lately I did an oil change because of the fact that everywhere I went to, keep in mind, guys, keep in mind, everything I have is in storage. All my tools, everything is in storage. So no one has been able, oh, it's on the other side. No one has been able to find or have available the exact size of this bad boy right here. That nut is just too big. What I recently did was I went to the dealership and I said, you know what? She needs an oil change. She didn't reach the 6,000 mile point. However, I am one of those people that are very finicky about a 6,000 mile oil change, you know, after the initial 600 mile. So I said, I have to wait 6,000 miles. So I figured, let me make a video what I went through my experience. So I said, woo. Sheesh. That's crazy. But yeah, so what I wanted to talk about was my experience. I went to go get an oil change, and that's all I did. Tighten the chain and an oil change. That's all I wanted, that's all I needed. Because she's still barely at 3,000. Well, no, she just hit 3,000 miles. And I'm one of those people that I'm a firm believer, 3,000 miles, do the oil change, you know, and have that peace of mind. So I wanted to show you guys the labor cost just for an oil change and tightening the chain. These are the only two things I did to it. I brought it in and I said, these are the things I needed it because the chain was a little too loose. So they tightened the chain for me and they went ahead and did the oil change. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what this would cost me. So really quickly, if you guys can see, this is the cost. So if you look at the top, there's the oil, motor oil, Advantech 5W40, oil filter, gasket rings. So right there, the parts. So if we're looking at the parts, there's 4 quarts of oil, 1 oil filter, and 1 gasket ring. So price on that, $17.25, $21.19, and $1.88 for the gasket ring. So already totaling out 70, so about 90 bucks in just parts. Now we add in the labor costs. So renewal and chain lube. I guess they did the chain lube too. I don't know. I didn't see any new chain lube in there, but the one it had was still good. So the cost of this was, as you can see, labor was a subtotal of 140. So you tally everything up, was 232. Add some taxes. So shop supplies, $3 charged to get rid of the oil and the oil filter and all that stuff. Plus you add the taxes and it's $15.73. So you're looking at $257.80 approximately. Now, mind you, this will vary in the area that you're in. So it all depends. As you can tell, it's not expensive. However, when she hits the 6,000 mile mark, okay, there's gonna be another oil change involved. When I do that oil change, I'm gonna have to reset the computer. Now, you can either get a GS911 and do it yourself, or you could just take it to the dealership, which if it was just this, if this was the cost of that for just an oil change and oil filter and tightening up the chain, I can't imagine what the cost would be. I'm assuming possibly $800. Let me know what you guys' cost if you guys take your bikes to the dealership itself. I have to say, I have to give them a great shout out for this. As you guys know, this bike has titanium headers, right? You see them bluing out in there. They asked me right from jump. They told me, you know, do you have aftermarket headers? I'm like, yes, I have titanium headers. So usually in the past, when I've done oil changes, I've experienced where when you turn on the bike, it starts heating up, you smell the oil burning off. I did not experience none of that. at all. So I said, you know what, let me make a quick video, just give you guys an insight of what it is to own this bike. What's the maintenance cost on it? So far I have no issues, no problems. Luna has been running fantastic, and just, she's a head turner with these new plastics. I put Monster fairings on it. So yes, these are aftermarket fairings from Monster Fairings. I decided I wanted to go that route, and she looks absolutely gorgeous. People are absolutely digging the new look. As you guys can see, plus, you know, with the TST industry lights, cleaning up that back with the license plate all the way at the bottom, that full Evo exhaust. This is the Evo Akrapovic exhaust. Of course, the beautiful bluing and purple. She looks so good. So amazing. So yes, guys, I wanted to make this quick video to show you guys, because the weather here has been absolute crap, and I have been able to ride. I was going to, when I got home today, I was going to ride, but unfortunately, Mother Nature had other plans. Woo, jeez, that's crazy. So yes, guys, thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for being part of the Sasso Moto family. For all you newcomers, and for the people that have been around, thank you so much for the subs. I truly appreciate it. Guys, we are at 950 subs. I have 50 more to go to hit 1K. I have no idea what I want to do to make it special, but I'm gonna come up with something. Woo, jeez. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. You guys have a great evening. Stay safe out there. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.